This video will show you how to replace your front license plate bracket on this Toyota Corolla. This will be mounted to your front bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your front license plate bracket on your front bumper cover. We're going to remove our two upper mounting bolts here. We're using a 10mm. Now once you have both of those out, you should be able to pivot this down and pull it away. The bottom of this does have two small hooks that you want to pay attention to. There it is, friend. Now that we have the license plate bracket off of the front bumper cover, we need to make sure we clean and inspect this area. I'm just going to use some glass cleaner on a clean rag. Go underneath this ridge here. Obviously, you can do as good of a job as you feel you need to. Let's continue on. Now we can install our brand new front license plate bracket. Along the back side, you remember during the removal process, we have those two small hooks along the bottom that go underneath this area. Let's start getting this in a position. We're going to press those hooks in and under the front bumper cover, gently pull up, and then start pulling away, ensuring that they are actually secured in and behind there. Now we'll be paying attention to each one of these two ports. We need to make sure those are aligned with the holes on the front bumper cover so we can install our bolts. For these bolts, just go ahead and slide them right on through that license plate bracket into the ports in the bumper cover. Once you have them started in, you can go ahead and snug them up. Just double check to make sure that's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our front license plate mounting bracket. The next thing you want to do is install your front license plate. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.